My name's Andreas, I'm a service engineer at Kemper. Today we'll be talking about the correct settings on the header to attach the support wheel properly. First, check the setting of the locking pawl. For that, you can use a shaft or tube with an outer diameter of 35 mm as a reference and put it in here. Now you can see that there's too much clearance between the locking pawl and the shaft. The distance can be approximately 3 mm. To adjust the locking pawl, loosen these nuts and turn the threaded rod further in or out. That pushes the locking pawl downwards or upwards. In this particular case, we must turn it out to push the locking pawl upwards. While you're doing this, check whether it's already set correctly. In that case, we need to adjust it a little bit more. So now you can see there's not very much clearance between the locking pawl and the shaft. You can move the shaft, but it's still tight enough. Repeat the same process on the other side. It's important that the setting is the same when the header is completely folded. Otherwise, you need to adjust it again. Now we've attached the support wheel. The locking device must be in the middle of the locking pawl at the level of the screw, or maybe a little bit below. This is adjusted perfectly. When folding the header at low idle, we see how the locking pawl pushes the locking device upwards into the notch. When the support wheel is folded up, we can drive on the road. When unfolding, we must see the locking device falling back out of the locking pawl again. When the header is unfolded, the support wheel must disengage itself. If that doesn't happen, the center feed bar is not set properly. To adjust it, loosen these two screws and set it lower or higher using this set screw. Turn the screw by approximately 90 degrees. Then check the position of the locking pawl. Repeat this procedure until the support wheel disengages itself. If the locking device does not move into the pawl at all, the center feed bar is set too low and must be adjusted as described above.